Welcome back all of you to our online platform, that is our school's YouTube channel. So again we are ready with today's video. This video is for class 9th and the subject is maths, and we are continuing the same chapter, that is chapter number 6, and the name of the chapter is lines and angles. So we have already completed exercise 6.1 as well as 6.2. So today we are supposed to start exercise 6.3 and we are supposed to start with question number 1. So first of all we should read question number 1. In this question the figure is given, one triangle is there, PQR. PQR is the triangle. PQR is a triangle in which PS is produced and RQ is produced. PQP is produced further, and at the same time this side is also produced, such that the angles are given 110 degree and 135 degree. 110 degree and 135 degrees. Now we are supposed to find angle PRQ. So that is question number 1. We have to find angle PRQ. So we can use the properties. So here angle, and these 2 points are given, that is S and T. So angle PQP or PQT, angle PQT plus angle PQR is equals to 180 degree. Why? Linear pair angles. So angle PQT is given 110 degree plus angle PQR is equals to 180 degree. From here we can say that angle PQR is equals to 180 degree minus 110 degree. So angle PQR is equals to 70 degrees. Similarly, angle SPR plus RPQ. Angle SPR plus angle RPQ is equals to 180 degree. Again we are supposed to mention why. Linear pair angles. Linear pair angles. SPR is given 135 degree plus angle RPQ is equals to 180 degree. From here we can write angle RPQ is equals to 180 degree minus 35 degree, and angle RPQ will be equals to 45 degrees. That is 45 degree. Now we can consider the triangle. This triangle means angle PQR, this one PQR plus angle QPR plus angle P means QPR, this angle. Now PRQ, angle PRQ is equals to 180 degree. Why? Angle sum property. of triangles. As we know that sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So now angle QPR, that PQR is given 70 degree and this is 45 degree. 70 degree plus 45 degree plus angle PRQ is equals to 180 degree. If we add both, it will become 115 degree plus angle PRQ is equals to 180 degree, and from here we can write angle PRQ is equals to 180 degree minus 115 degree, and angle PRQ will be 65 degrees. So like this we are supposed to proceed the questions. We are supposed to use the information whatsoever we are having regarding the angles as well as the properties of the triangles we are supposed to use. At the same time, now we will discuss the question number 2. In question number 2, again the figure is given. In figure 6.40, angle x is equals to 62 degree. Angle XYZ is given 54 degree. If YO and ZO are the bisector of angle XYZ and XZY respectively, then we have to find angle OZY. And YOZ. Okay, so first of all the triangle is given. That is question number 2. In question number 2, the triangle is given XYZ. XYZ, in which the two angles are also given, 62 degree and 54 degree. 62 degree and 54 degrees. So first of all I will not draw the complete diagram, and we will write what we have to find. We have to find angle OYZ, OZY, OZY and YOZ. So in triangle XYZ, angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z is equals to 180 degree. Why? Angle sum property. Of triangles. The sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. X and Y is given, that is 62 degree plus 54 degree plus angle Z, that will be 180 degree. So from here we can write angle Z is equals to 180 degree, and the sum will be 4 plus 2 6. And after subtraction we will get Z. So 10 minus 4, that is 6, and 7 minus 1, that is 6. 64 degrees. So this angle is 64 degrees. Now I will construct another triangle, means now the complete diagram x, y, z, and now any point is there in between, and now OY and OZ are the angle bisector of y and z, means if it is 54 degrees, so this will become 27 degree, half 27, 27. This is 62, so this will become 30, that is 64, so it will become half of that, 32 degrees. So why? Because this is the angle bisector. Angle bisector, bisector means dividing the angles into two equal part, 27 degree, 27 degree, 32 degree, 32 degrees. So now we have to find angle OZY. OZY is 32 degree. So angle OZY is equals to 32 degrees. That is the first angle we have to calculate. Now second angle is angle YOZ. YOZ. So we can write here that 27 degree plus 32 degree plus angle YOZ. YOZ is equals to 180 degree. Why? Because angle sum property. Angle sum property of triangles. Which triangle now we are considering? OYZ. So from here we can write 7 plus 2 9 and 3 plus 2 5 plus angle YOZ is equals to 180 degree, and angle YOZ will become 180 degree minus 59 degree. So angle YOZ, 10 minus 9, that is 1, and 7 minus 5, that is 2, and 121 degrees will be the answer for that part. So like this we are supposed to proceed. I hope that you have understood, and you will try the remaining questions of this exercise, and after completing the homework you are supposed to take the pic of that, and you are supposed to upload on the school's WhatsApp number. Thank you very much.